Hey, tell me something. There's a delicious sus montage going on right behind me, isn't there? Yep, well, that's gonna make it kinda hard to focus, but here we go. And oh, to the sus feet. Turkey, salami, cheeky with roastki, pepperoni and ham. Write this down. We got 'em all. Beat that, Jared. Tell me something. There's a turkey montage going on right behind me, isn't there? Yep, I can smell it. Well, that's gonna make it kinda hard to focus, but here we go.